Administrator Sir, respected Naval Sir, respected Tanu Ma'am, all my beloved teachers, parents and students. On the occasion of 75th Independence Day, I extend a warm greeting to all of you. On this day, our India became independent and our dream of living an independent country became true. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. On the behalf of management, staff members of Amrita Public School, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It's a great and a proud day for all of us. On this day, we got freedom from the slavery of British rule. Now, I would like to call our respected Principal Ma'am to hoist our national flag, and I would also request respected Administrator Sir, ND Sir and Naval Sir to accompany Ma'am. I would request all the teachers, students and parents to stand up to give respect to our national flag. Please rise. The moment we are eagerly waiting for has arrived. Now I would request our beloved Principal Ma'am on the stage for a few words on independence and our challenges. Please welcome our Principal Ma'am. Good morning to one and all. Honorable Administrator Sir Aditya Singh, Naval Sir, teachers, parents and my dear students. On this 75th Independence Day, on behalf of the management of Amrita Public School, I would like to wish a very happy Independence Day to all. We have completed 75th Independence Day. This as resultant due to a great sacrifice of our leaders. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru. They have all sacrificed for our nation. It is very essential for all of us that we have to we have to remember them so that we can take our country forward. I feel that all our freedom fighters were rebels. The thing that they had was confidence and deep-sighted love towards the nation. For the country and to get the independence of the country, irrespective to what had happened. But it happened with them. Many of them lost their lives
Some should remember their sacrifices. We need to respect them. What we achieved is political freedom. What we need is ethical nation and also a strong value system among each and every individuals, and also economic growth. So my dear students, the time has come for all of us to question that what we can give to this nation. Today onwards, you will think at home that what will you do to make your mother happy? Because a mother is happy when the entire family is happy, the home is happy. I will clean my home surrounding. I will clean the nature by planting more and more green trees. I will do good to others. I will always help my youngers. My national flag should flee in my heart because of the huge respect that I am having, that I am paying to my nation. Each and everything that you do as a citizen will make a big difference to our country. Amrita Public School, Senior Secondary, affiliated to CBSE, was established in 1987 by our Honorable Chairman. It stands committed to impart quality education, inculcating moral values, responsibilities, respect to our culture, discipline. That is a fore and foremost thing. The discipline is a great mission of the school. The school has well-developed infrastructure, includes science lab, activity room, interactive smart board, library. We feel very happy that our school has started science stream for class 11 for the session 21-22. Having excellent teachers, striving to develop scientific attitude among the students. The school provides other facilities like sports, career counseling, skill development, and also an opportunity to provide new avenue for academic and co-curricular activities. I feel so proud to announce that our school children of class 10th and 12th has secured 100% pass percentage in CBSE board examination. That is due to the hard work and of teachers and also the students. I congratulate all the parents and the students for the great achievements and also for maintaining the legacy of scoring 100% pass percentage. The school gives best opportunity in order to promote the skills and it identify the talent. 2 children of class 10th and 8th named Anjali Verma and Yash. They had participated in district level yoga competition which was conducted by Delhi Sports and Cultural Activities and they won first prize. I'm really happy for these students. So there was an inter-school competition conducted recently by Kalka Public School where more than 80 schools, good schools had participated and our children, 2 students have won first prize and appreciation prize named Kanishka and Mamli Negi. Thank you so much children for setting the standard. That is how we have to make our path. Many more laurels to come in future. All this could happen only because of the support, the kind of a support, cooperation we got from the management and obviously teachers' effort. This could help us to achieve holistic development of the child. National Education Policy was started in 2020 has come up with a vision that a child, other than the numeracy, science and technology, the child can pick up the subject, skill subjects, and education with flexible curriculum. For class 11 students, the child can take any of the stream, any of the choice of subject. And we in our school, I'm happy to announce that we are introducing artificial intelligence as an additional subject for class 9 in the coming session. You should contribute a bit by bit to this country. You know, the country has given a lot of genius. You all are aware about the young sports achievers in the Tokyo Olympics. They all made our nation proud. So India has a lot of genius, not only in the sports, but also in other sectors. The top world companies like Microsoft, Google, CEO all originated from India. I feel there are many more genius. I feel that there are genius in our own school. So children, it's a lesson. It's a high time to reboot ourselves, to boost ourselves, and chase the dreams so that we can achieve. I want at least 5 to 6 students in science stream to crack JEE exam with a good rank. I want my students, at least 3 to 4 students, who can get admission on scholarship basis in US and UK, the top universities. I want my children to participate in maximum sports activities to the zonal level, district level, state level, and national also. We are preparing the module so that the children could participate, the children could get maximum opportunities to explore themselves. All this can happen only with the cooperation and support from the parents. Yes, our management are always with us. In all aspects, they are supporting the school team in order to achieve to a greater heights. In this school, education stands next. The first thing is value, which has to be imbibed among the students. Once again, I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was really pathfinder, and it will give us inspiration in our future journey. Now, it's a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work as well as the performance of the students who have made all of us proud. Now, the time we acknowledge the talent of students by felicitating them. So I request our respected principal ma'am to come on stage and felicitate the position holders. Please put your hands together for all of them. Principal ma'am. I would like to start with the students for their exemplary result in CBSE board. First, we have Babita of class 12th B who got 92%. Please give her a huge round of applause. Next we have Shivangi of class 12th A who scores 94%. Give her a big hand.
further, we have
Sachin of class 10th A, batch 2021, who scored 95% in class 10. A huge round of applause, please.
सरिता को बुला लो. Thank you.
next we have Priyanshu Raj of class 10th B, who scored 94%. A huge round of applause, please. Next we have Mansi Singh of class 10th A, who scored 94%.
इधर को हो जाना. सेकंड टाइम में कर रहे हैं ना, एक बार सबका आ जाएगा. बेटा गलत से आप पढ़ो.
And last we have Vansh Goyal of class 10th B, who scored 94% in his board exam. A huge round of applause for all of them. We are really proud to see the students have achieved such good results. They have been an exceptional students to teach with, and their results are fully deserved. Now I would request Principal Ma'am and the students to come together for a group photograph. Please give them all a huge round of applause, please, once more. Ma'am, our PE teacher, our students participated in a zonal level competition organized by Delhi School Sports and Cultural Activities. Yash of class 9th B secured the first position in Yoga Rhythmic. Please give him a big hand. A big round of applause for him. Next we have Anjali, who secured the second position in Yoga Rhythmic. Give her a huge round of applause, please. Today I feel very privileged and honored to stand here in front of you and acknowledge the achievements of our brilliant students who have made both the school and their parents proud. Under the supervision of our activity in charges, Ms. Amreen Ansari and Ms. Kajal, and guidance of Ms. Kavita Rathi and Mrs. Chitralekha Verma, our brilliant students participated in an inter-school competition organized by Kalka Public School in the month of July. We have Tanishka of class 12C who got appreciation from the jury for intro to twin activity story competition. Her presentation was highly appreciated by the judges. Please give her a huge round of applause. We have Manvi Negi of 7th A who secured the first position in cartoon and caricature political science. Unfortunately, the girl could not join us today, but she has made us all proud. Next, we have an inter-school debate competition that was organized in the month of July itself to foster the students' public speaking skills. Group B, students for the favor of the motion were adjourned the winners. Now I would request the participants of the winner team to one by one come and collect their certificates from our respected principal ma'am. First, I would like to call upon Alia of class 12B. A huge round of applause, please. Next we have Priyanshi of class 10C. Muskan of class 10C. Please give a huge round of applause. Bhavna of class 12B. A huge round of applause. Please don't stop your clapping. Mayank Pratap of class 12C. Nikat of class 9B. A huge round of applause. Nidhi of class 12B.
एक ही चीज आप साइड आ जाओ एक बार
A huge round of applause, please. Deepika of class 10C.
लाइन डबल लाइन लगाओ
Mohammad Anas of class 10C. A big hand, all of you. And last but not the least, we have Nitin of class 9B. Please, a huge round of applause for all of them. Now I would request all the participants to join ma'am for a group photograph. All the participants align themselves for the good photograph. Can we have one huge big applause for all of them?
To congratulate our students on their achievements, it's wonderful to see that their hard work has paid such dividends. Thank you so much.